Welcome to our deep dive into the world of plumbing engineering. This video will explore the critical role these professionals play in our built environment. Plumbing engineers are essential for public health and safety, yet their work often goes unnoticed. Get ready to understand their immense value. A plumbing engineer is a specialized professional responsible for designing, overseeing, and maintaining the systems that deliver water, remove waste, and manage fluids in buildings and infrastructure. They are fundamental to construction and infrastructure, ensuring that buildings are safe, functional, and compliant with health standards. Plumbing engineers have a wide range of responsibilities that touch nearly every aspect of a building's water and waste management. One key duty is designing safe and efficient water supply systems, ensuring clean water reaches every fixture with the right pressure and volume. They are also responsible for planning drainage and waste removal systems, preventing backups, and ensuring waste is safely disposed of. Plumbing engineers often incorporate fire suppression systems like sprinklers, which are crucial for building safety and protecting lives. Their designs are based on a complex set of considerations, blending technical requirements with safety and environmental standards. Crucial to their work is calculating and maintaining optimal water pressure and flow rates, essential for everything from showers to industrial equipment. Modern plumbing engineering emphasizes sustainability, incorporating features for water conservation and energy efficiency into every design. Ensuring strict compliance with local, state, and national building codes and regulations is non-negotiable for plumbing engineers. The profession relies heavily on modern tools and technology to create precise and sophisticated plumbing solutions. They frequently use computer-aided design or CAD in building information modeling or BIM software for detailed design and visualization. Advanced analysis tools are used to simulate and analyze system performance, identifying potential issues before construction begins. If you're interested in this career, there's a clear path and a specific set of skills needed to succeed. This field typically requires a degree in mechanical engineering or a related discipline, along with professional certifications. Strong problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and collaborative abilities are essential for troubleshooting complex system issues. Plumbing engineers truly make our modern world possible, ensuring the unseen systems work flawlessly. Their dedication to safe water delivery and waste removal has a profound and positive impact on public health and safety globally. The future of plumbing engineering will be shaped by sustainability, smart technology, and innovative materials, continuing its vital role in society.